Hi everyone, this is Dr. Park. I want to introduce you to our new in-office bleaching system called Sinsational Smile. I chose this bleaching system for our office because it is very gentle to the teeth and gums, resulting in no sensitivity or very minimal amount. Also, it is very fast and easy. It takes 20 to 25 minutes in the chair. The system is great for those looking to whiten their teeth 1 to 2 shades lighter. The best time to do a bleaching is right after cleaning, when all the plaque are removed from the tooth surfaces and each tooth surface is exposed to the bleaching gel. The procedure is simple. There is an eco-friendly silicone tray that is preloaded with the bleaching gel. The bleaching gel is a gentle concentration of peroxide, safe for your teeth. The tray is placed in your mouth, then connected to a LED light. During the session, you are reclined to a comfortable position. After 25 minutes is up, you're good to go, and it will give you a bleaching gel pen so you can use it at home to maintain the whiteness. And now let's look at some cases. This is Dee Dee's before, and this is Dee Dee's after 25 minutes. So Dee Dee began somewhere between the left two shade tabs and resulted in the right brighter shade tab. This is Rachel's case. We did 2 sessions for her, 1 week apart. This is the beginning shade, and after first session, after second session. In overview, Rachel started all the way from the right and ended all the way to the left in 2 25-minute sessions. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, please give us a call or email us. And for those who are looking for a more ambitious result and who are willing to go through a more involved process, stay tuned for next time, and thank you for listening. Take care.